Hotlink disabling can be useful for social media embeds, collaborations and partnerships with other sites, and content sharing and SEO marketing purposes. In this video, I will show you how to disable hotlink protection in your cPanel. First, we need to log into cPanel with cPanel login username and password information. Next, hotlink protection section can be found under Files tab or under Securities tab. In my case it's Securities tab. It can vary in different hosting sites. In this page, we can disable the hotlink protection from all the website added here. All we need to do is click the Disable button on this page. And we are done removing the hotlink protection in cPanel. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when I add new content.